Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are well. I am excited for today's video because I am finally cleaning and decluttering my laundry room. It was so cluttered and felt really good to just get everything off the shelves and out of this room. Nothing in this room was ever organized. I would buy things and put them wherever I felt they would fit. Then when I go to do laundry and I reach for whatever it was that I needed, things would come tumbling down and something would always end up falling behind the washer, which was so annoying because it was hard for me to get back there and get it. Now that I am organizing in here, I plan on storing everything in bins, which should eliminate that problem.
Can make it grow, can make it grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it. Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase.
Now you can see everything that has fallen behind here, and on top of that, a lot of traffic comes through here because our laundry room is connected to the garage, so it's just way more convenient. And just from us coming in and out, it tracks in a lot of dirt, which ends up behind the washer. And it's easy to forget or not to think about cleaning this area because you can't see what's behind it. You know how they say out of sight, out of mind. Well, that's exactly how it was. But I'm happy that I was able to get back here and clean, and I do plan on doing that more often.
Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. I was yours for the taking, guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough, didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend, think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young, dumb, and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. But I won't put the blame on me. You're the one to be honest, yeah. Cause you can handle emotions. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. You didn't even say goodbye. No, no. You didn't even hug it out. No, no. I don't like nothing. I don't. 'Cause it wasn't love. Now I know that you don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go. 'Cause baby, I got problems, problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there. 'Cause baby, I got problems, problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. 'Cause baby, I got problems, problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down.
these are the same bins I used in my linen closet. They're so nice in a linen material, and I was shocked at how much I was able to fit in them. The milk jars are from Amazon, and they came with gold lids, but I spray painted them black, which I liked a lot better. But if you're interested, be sure to check the description. I'll link everything there.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let.
After organizing everything, I realized I did not have any labels, and I kind of needed something quick because I was already in the process of filming. So I found this label maker I bought from Target a while ago, and it definitely came in handy for this project. Though I like the look and how simple the labels are, I think I might change them.
You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then
Here's the final outcome. I love how everything came out. It's now organized and clean and just way more functional than what it was before. leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on how you think the laundry room came out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up.